Back at Grocery Outlet, let's see what we can find. So they have mini sweet peppers, $2.99, and they have the large bell peppers for $4.99 a bag. Grass-fed ground beef, $5.99 a pound. Chosen avocado oil for $12.49, and there's only one left. Cheddar Bay biscuit mix, $2.69. Curry mix, $2.99 a box. Ketchup for $1.99. Park Angus hot dogs, $1.99. There's vanilla yogurt for $2.99. Tillamook chive and onion cheese spread for $1.99. Simply mozzarella, $3.79. Pet bowl mat. This is an extra large. It opens up. It's $3.99. Got two of them. Check out. We got a lot of stuff. A lot of things on sale. This trip. Loading the cart. We got some great deals. You can see we even brought the cooler to put all of our frozen things in. I think our bill was $270, but we got some amazing things. This was a successful trip. I give it a 2 thumbs up. Honey, what about you? We'll see you next time.